Do you want to know one of the best skill sets that I have noticed that franchisees have that probably nobody ever thinks about? Is the ability to make a decision without all the factual information. That is what your life will be like as a business owner. Throughout your entire journey of becoming a business owner, you're going to be faced with decisions day to day. And you typically will have a deadline and you won't have all the information. So when I notice that people can make decisions in their research process, I know that they're probably going to be really strong, successful franchise owners. When they get paralysis of analysis and doubt and worry and go backwards in their research because they get scared and they continue to overthink things, that's probably what you're going to do as a business owner. And that could be deadly to your business. I want you to think a little bit about decisions that you've made and ones that you've made in a fairly quick manner and ones that you dragged out and they took a long time and really grueling. I found that those ones that I dragged out and grueling and overthought tend to be not my best decisions that I've made. The ones that I've made, I've had a deadline, I make them quick, and then I pivot if I need to change things. Same thing in business ownership. So when you're researching a franchise, remember this is training. The better you get at making decisions, the better you're going to be at making a decision as a business owner. And that's honestly a superpower.